All right, guys, if you watch this channel long enough, you know I'm all about the plants. Indoor plants, outdoor plants, flowers, vegetable, herbs, and everything in between. As you can see, it's a nice balmy 39 degrees outside. So yes, most of the houseplants are still indoors doing their little winter vacation. But the reason why I brought you along today, guys, is to show you what's coming up this year. It's going to be awesome. We are talking about bees. So I attended an educational class hosted by the Patriot Gardens group, and as a result, going through the class, it was a 3-day thing. We actually ended up getting our own kit for bees. Okay, now this is just an 8-frame box here. So kind of putting the frames and stuff together, guys, but check it out. So this is what I've wanted to do for a long time here at the Hillside, is bring some bees and get into beekeeping, but never really knew where to start. Now, luckily, one of my coworkers who's about to retire, who's also a master beekeeper, is going to kind of show me this summer. He's going to get me started, teach me all the things about raising bees. It's going to be awesome. You know, I'm all about the pollinators and about, things like that, growing flowers and stuff. So this just fits right in with what I'm all about here at the Hillside Gardens. Hope you guys do enjoy that content when it does come out. But like I said, it's going to be a learning process, starting very, very small. But I got this solid box right here. Putting it together is doing nice. And I also have a nuke box over here that I bought before. So definitely gonna get into that. I did a video about actually a swarm of bees that actually came here, and you can tell, strip all the wax off of this box. So lesson learned, make sure you paint your boxes. See, learning already. But yeah, just making these frames right here. This kit came with all of the accessories. Let me show you right here. If you wanted to stop the video here and take a picture or look closely, I'm not gonna get into every little thing, but that's what all comes in this. And as you can probably tell from the thumbnail of this picture, this video, it has the hat, and it has the suit as well for beekeeping. So that's gonna be an exciting update, guys. So do check back in the spring whenever I get the bees and things like that. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be exciting. Hopefully I'm going to get stung, which I probably will many, many times. That's just how it works for me. But yeah, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.